give up. That's it, I'm done. I give up. I give up on the blue jay. He ain't coming. You think of the eye makeup? It's just playing. I know I ain't very good at it. Hi, kitty. I love you. Yeah, I know you. I love you. All you. It's always you. She's loving on the molding. Hello? You my therapist? Huh? Can I have your tum-tums? She's such a little stumbler. Oh, I was gonna let you hear her, but she walked away. Her motor's going. I don't know. Maybe I didn't cut enough off the bangs. I don't know. I thought they were fine before I did the makeup. It's a rainbow. Don't be looking at my mess behind me. It's mostly just peanuts. Don't be looking at this stuff. Hi, kitty. Oh, when she does that, loving on my hand. There she go again. She's so sweet. I hate loud cars. Oh, and FYI. Okay, just so it's known. I do have my own horror story when it comes to drug use. I still got quite a few. But there's this one main one in particular that I cannot let go of. Okay? And I will tell my story on my own time. Please do not rush me. Please don't rush me. Okay? When people want to sit there and call me all these names and junk and this addict shit, you know, whatever happened to this whole idea of recovery? You know, you guys, it's so weird. It's like you believe in recovery, but then you say no one's ever recovered, and once an addict, always an addict, even though I've stopped, and I can still get it if I want to, but I don't think I could do it. Don't rush me. It's so... When I finally do say it, when I finally do tell everybody, you guys are all gonna understand, okay? When a person feels like they think they might be dying, and people just look at you like, get over yourself, it's in your head. Dude, I don't know. I don't know how to come back with it. You know, it's like, maybe it's not in my head the way you think it is. But I'm going about this the right way. I am. I'm doing it the right way. And you know what was the start of it all? Eugenia fucking Cooney. I found an old video of hers, and I left a comment under it. And on that comment, and right up above it, it says 7 months. Which with, YouTube terms could mean tomorrow it'll say 8 months. I don't know. But there was something I started 6 months ago. I started that 6 months ago. I started watching Eugenia and all the different frustrations about her. And I think it was quarantine when I started watching. But, yeah, it opened up this can of worms that just, I mean, I gotta say it though, because I know getting my story out there could help others. And, maybe the people that make all that money because, for whatever reason, they have content that people can find value in. So they're able to get money and make it in the world, I guess. I don't see what makes them more deserving than others, but it's whatever. I mean, what does make people like that more deserving when all they're doing is, like, smashing iPhones and shit? Kind of. It's just not. Anywho, yeah, somebody like me, well, that person was an addict, so if they ever have any money ever again, they'll probably go back to being an addict. It's like, motherfucker, you don't know shit. If that's how you think, you don't know shit. You see, with someone like me, I got scared straight out of drinking by watching my dad, where he drank himself to death, and being the one that found him and dead on the couch while his neighbors were robbing him. That made me never take another drink. And seeing what people would go through to get their fix for crack and meth and heroin and junk. I've never smoked crack or meth or shot up heroin or any of those hardcore things, because I see the shit people would do to get it. And then seeing Eugenia, reminded me to eat better and to drink more water, because I was to the point where I was only eating like 3 times a week. And it's just the issue of the hair. I can't lose my hair. But, yeah, no, flat squirrel. No, flat squirrel. They're so adorable when they do that. Oh, shit, I can't zoom when it's this way. Yeah, flat squirrel. Isn't he cute? They're so funny. I love them so much. You silly little booger. Anyway, I don't have much time on this clock. What was I saying? I lose track of what I'm saying. Train of thought happens all the time. But it doesn't mean I'm on drugs. I'm not on amphetamines either. I don't do that shit anymore. Do you have any fucking idea how expensive that is? Especially around here. My God. It's sickening, okay? I could never. Anywho. Alright, I'm gonna hang this up. I mostly just wanted to show off my eyes. I guess I found something to talk about. Took a while. Alright, we out. The real. You want to see more squirrely feedings? You really didn't see none on this one. You want to see some squirrely feedings? Hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. Oh, look, we might get one. Oh, shit. Alright, we out. There we go.